Hi folks, Dutch here from Dutch Cooking. Today we'll be cooking a tray bake. This is going to be sweet potato and sausage tray bake. Let's cook. For this cook today, we've got a nice piece of cast iron. What I'm going to do is just drill some olive oil into the bottom of it. Then we've got our sausage. We've got 4 types of sausage today. Skinny chicken sausage, chili sausage, Lincolnshire sausage and Northumberland sausage, but you can use any sausage you like. So what we're going to do, just get them in. And then we've got about 3 small red onions just quartered. And next we've got 1 red pepper chopped and 1 yellow pepper chopped. Get them in. The next thing we need is a seasoning for this. So we've got 2 tablespoons of whole grain mustard, half a teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And as ever, why do I use Worcestershire sauce? It's because I can say it. So we're just going to mix them in. Pour that over our ingredients. To that we've got 2 cloves of garlic that we've chopped. Get that in. Some seasoning, salt and pepper. And all we've got to do now is just give this a good mix. And at this point, I've almost forgot one important ingredient, the sweet potato. So, we've got 2 small sweet potatoes just cut up into wedges. And I will give it a good mix. So it's time now to get into the wood-fired oven. These have had about 15 minutes. Just start to take on some colour. I'm just going to give it a good mix round. And then we'll pop it back in. We'll let that go for another 15 minutes and then we're going to add some fine tomatoes. So this is now had 30 minutes. Take it out. And you see we get some nice colour on there. What we've got now is just some vine tomatoes. Just going to toss them in. Put it back in and give it 15 more minutes. So, this has been in now for 45 minutes. So look what we've got. So all we've got to do now is garnish it with a little bit of fresh parsley. There we have it. That's Dutch's sweet potato and sausage tray bake.